Hello and welcome to a brief demonstration of Milliken Advisor's standard web GIS plan. In the map here you will see tracks and stands for what will be your client property. We can zoom in on many different features using these keys here. We can also select these features so you can see this tract here, and we can zoom to it. Your tract name will be here, state and county information, acreage, lat long, etc. We can also zoom in and select stands by using this. You'll see your stand number, acreage, timber type, and any other qualitative information and quantitative as well, including acres. Just to show you where the legend is, this is here. Gives you all the breakdown of our different transportation types and your property data. In addition to that, we do have the timber type stands in here as well. If you're familiar with our traditional maps, you know these colors pretty well. We can see those in the legend as well. There. Within this standard WebGIS plan, we include several widgets, including the print, base map, measure, and draw tool. Within our base maps, you can see these here. You have different imagery sources as well as topographic maps, different dated aerial photographies that include leaf-off photography and infrared photography as well. One unique feature of the standard plan is the measure tool, which includes area measurement, distance measurement, and location measurement. I'll show you a brief demo here of using the area measurement, where let's just take this game patch for example, where we'll do some clicking. And just get a rough acreage here. So roughly 2 acres. We can also change the unit measurement here by using something like square foot, square meters. Several different options, as you can see. This would be good if you're trying to draw out a new game patch or something of that nature. I've also got a distant one where you can change the feet and the mileage, or 2 mile feet or miles, excuse me, or yards. This would be useful for putting in a new road or even measuring out a stream bed. So as you can see there, we've done miles, change that to feet, etc. Location, and clear. The draw tool has a lot of different things that you could do with it, including points, lines here, arrows, several different types of polygons. You can freehand out a polygon here, do something with a hollow fill like this. I'll use this to show how we could make a brief map as well using the print widget. So let's say we wanted to add on to that game patch right there. You could even get the area measurement. You can also turn on the perimeter if you wanted to. For now, we're just going to leave it with that fill right there. You can also add text using the draw tool as well. I'm going to come over here to print. And this is something that's unique. You can come in here and you can change the legend on your own. Tract. County, we'll just call it 50. We'll call it a game patch map. And this custom legend description will go at the top here. Expansion area, we'll make up an acreage for you, 2 acres. This would be something that would be useful for communicating with contractors or with your forester as well. So, and there's different types of options you can do. Landscape portrait, 8.5 by 11 is the traditional paper size, and larger legal format, 11 by 17. We just click print, and it will automatically generate a PDF for us, which we can open using Adobe. And there you have it. So see, this is where all of our custom text would have gone down here. It automatically formats to the month and current year. If we go back, and we can just clear. And that is the gist of the Milliken Standard WebGIS. Thank you.